In this video, I'll be showing you all the things I did to get to my first one arm pull-up. So if you want to achieve it yourself, keep watching this video. The three most important things are consistency, strength, and proper programming. You have to be training the one arm pull-up consistently in order to achieve it. You have to already know that this won't be easy and it's gonna take some time and effort. If you don't have at least 15 bodyweight pull-ups in a row, you have to get stronger. And there is a bunch of ways of achieving strength for the one arm pull-up. And don't let people tell you that their way is the best. But in this video, I'll share the way I trained for it and what was most fun for me. Now what I realized from my own training is that if you can do a weighted pull-up equivalent of 75% of your own body weight, then you can probably do a one arm pull-up. I'm 59 kilograms and I barely pulled 40 kilograms, which isn't even close to 75%, it's 68. Then with this strength, I tried doing a one arm pull-up and I could only go halfway. Now after this, my weighted pull-ups just couldn't get any stronger. I hit a wall. So what I started doing is bulking. I simply didn't have enough muscle to do the one arm pull-up. So in the course of 2 years, I went from 59 to 69 kilograms, training weighted pull-ups and all sorts of variations, trying to get stronger at chin-ups, neutral, wide, everything you can think of. And now that I've cut down back to 62.5 kilograms, I'm much stronger than when I was 59 kilograms. And that's how I achieved it. Now to get to the details of how I actually programmed all of this. I mainly trained pull-ups 2 times a week. Day 1 would be an intensity day, which means I'd do some kind of pull-up variation between 1 and 5 reps. Day 2 would be a more volume day, so I would do sets of 6 to 8 with a pull-up variation. I'd rotate variations every 3 weeks or so to avoid overuse, but it's important to track all the pull-up variations, so when you come back after 2 weeks, you know where your strength left off. After the pull-ups, I'd also do some kind of machine for my upper back, but you can also do rows, although after a certain point, doing them weighted is really annoying. It's simple, but it takes hard work and dedication, but if you stick to it, you can do it. If you have any questions down below, be sure to comment.